the stuff. And it's a rock and roll damnation. Miles on whipping boys. A rock and roll damnation. Take a chance while you still got the choice. Stay that you want respect. Honey, for what? For everything that you've done for me. Thanks a lot. Come on, get out of your bended knees. You could set your mind at ease.